like now to make a few observations on the budget. Full stop. This budget marks a turning point in the history of our country. Full stop. It is nose attempting, comma. Some of my tends have done, comma, either to deprecate the budget very strongly or to suggest that we are not witnessing a new revolution in our methods of fiscal training and technique. Full stop. I want it to be quite clearly pointed out to my friends that we are now facing the lean years of finance. Full stop. We had revenue surpluses which were a form of public saving and which were meant to be utilized for capital development. Full stop. Hereafter, this form of revenue surplus would not be available. We have, comma, therefore, comma, to find out ways and means implementing our great program of national reconstruction at minimum cost. Full stop. My point is that the deficit on revenue account would be of the order. Full stop. Para. Here, comma, let me point out that I do not agree with those of my friends in the finance department who have attempted to suggest that Rs 9 crores which are obtained from Pakistan should be put to the revenue side of the budget column. They are to be put on the capital side. Full stop. But that does not seriously alter the trend of my argument. Full stop. When I am suggesting it is that we would have to be prepared for a deficit of a much higher order even on the revenue side. Full stop. That itself should make us realize that there are very many problems which we have to face and that we have to undertake ways and means of increasing the resources of our country so that it might be possible for us to have a greater amount of surplus or a greater amount of public saving for the purpose of financing capital development. Full stop. The finance minister in the course of his speech, comma, deputy minister, comma, pointed out that the deficits during the past 2 years were of the order of Rs 33 crores. Full stop. I venture humbly to disagree with him because I feel that when we are talking of deficits, we must take into account. Full stop.